Redwoods are naturally resistant to insects, fungi, and fire because they're high in tannin, a chemical that gives redwood its distinctive color and also provides resistance to insects and fungus-caused diseases.
Good evening. This is a brief interruption by the Ministry of Health from the scheduled program. Please listen carefully. Due to the extinction of a variety of tree species, our department will be implementing carbon dioxide to oxygen converters in most forests around the country. These machine trees will use processes similar to those of natural trees in an effort to maintain healthy levels of oxygen and to filter carbon, allowing us to breathe and go about life in a normal fashion. These machine trees work in the following manner. Meteorological instruments will read atmosphere gas and water levels and control the intensity of intake. Gases will be filtered through a collection chamber at the top and cleaned at a thylakoid coil. The machine will be primarily powered by the carbon output in the filtration process, as well as electricity from the grid. A Calvin cycle coil will turn carbon into energy by converting it into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Energy from the grid will allow for the transformation to 3-phosphoglyceric acid, which can then be converted to ribulose biphosphate. This process will be used to power the operations of the machine as it continues to filter and distribute clean air. Speakers will project the sounds of wind, leaves, and wildlife to help preserve qualities of the forests of our past. These machines convert carbon dioxide to oxygen at the capacity of 4 natural trees. Due to the loss of over 50% of natural trees, from 220 billion to 100 billion, we will be installing 25 billion converters. Tampering with a converter is a federal offense punishable by up to 10 years in prison. You may now return to your scheduled program.
Their thick and fire-resistant bark also provide protection for the trees. The bark is very absorbent and holds moisture and contains relatively little flammable pitch compared to pine and fir.